Hello bright star, today I'm drawing Snickers and Bluey together so sweet, paws that prance and voices that beat. As the picture begins to shine, I'll share a story told in rhyme. But before this friendship tale can flow, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey adventures can always grow. Would you like to play with a friend you know? The grass was soft, the air felt new, Bluey skipped with a laugh so true. Across the field came Snickers fast, his long ears bouncing, a joyful blast. Hey Bluey, he barked, let's find a game, something exciting, with a funny name. Bluey clapped, her eyes so wide, what about racing side by side? Snickers grinned, I'll hop on 3, you try to run and catch up to me. Can you stomp your feet and count along, 1, 2, 3, like the start of a song? Off they dashed, a speedy flight, paws drumming hard with all their might. Bluey ran quick, her tail held high, Snickers bounded, ears to the sky. If their playful chase makes you smile as well, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more Bluey tales we can always tell. They zigged and zagged through flower beds, jumping over sticks and sleds. Catch me, Bluey! Snickers cried, Bluey laughed, I'm right by your side. The sun above made their shadows long, while joy rang bright like a summer song. At last they slowed and caught their breath, collapsing down in the grass's depth. Snickers chuckled, that was fast, but I could have run much longer at last. Bluey teased, no way, my friend, I'd still beat you in the end. Let's make a game that's just our own, Snickers barked in a thoughtful tone. Maybe a race but with silly hops, or spinning round until one of us drops. Bluey agreed, her giggles loud, they twirled in circles, dizzy but proud. They stumbled down and rolled on the ground, laughter echoing all around. Bluey whispered, friends are best, we play together, no need for rest. Can you roll your hands in circles tight, like Bluey and Snickers spinning with delight? The day grew calm, the breeze turned mild, their hearts were happy, their spirits wild. Bluey leaned close, I'm glad we played, today's a memory that won't ever fade. Snickers nodded, I feel it too, a special bond between me and you. So here we pause, our tale complete, with playful paws and hearts that beat. Bluey waves, her smile so true, Snickers barks a goodbye too. If you want their laughter to always resound, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey stories keep spinning round. Now close your eyes, let dreams take flight, with Snickers and Bluey enjoy tonight.